Today I'm working on a 2014 Mini Cooper, just making a quick video talking about something. This one, the water pump was leaking, and also the engine sounded pretty bad. It sounded really rattly, and it's pretty common for these to have a lot of noise coming from the water pump pulley itself when it rides up against this friction drive. And it can be either the belt starting to fall apart. The friction drive has buildup on it from the rubber of the belt, or there's also rubber on this water pump pulley itself that starts to fall apart over time and then cause weird oscillations with this friction drive unit. So the friction drive, this here, just runs off the back of the drive belt, and that's what drives your water pump on this. It's kind of a weird setup, but that's just how this works. So typically when I replace a water pump on one of these, especially if it's original, I sell the pulley with it, and depending, on how the car sounds and the condition, I'll sell a friction drive and a drive belt as well. Minimally, you want to do a drive belt, a pulley, and a water pump. I'll show you. This one isn't horrible, but you can see it's starting to fall apart. The whole rubber area here that rides against that pulley is it's very hard. It's like plastic, and it'll start to get really, really noisy, and it'll start to sound like the engine's falling apart. Honestly, this is kind of the most common thing on these that really it almost sounds like a timing chain failure or something, but it's definitely a good idea to just replace it. This is still the original water pump with the plastic impeller, but yeah, so if you do a water pump on one of these, replace the pulley as well, replace the drive belt, and this is a question mark, but at least take a good look at this wheel, and if you have any rubber on it, you want to scrape the rubber off of it. And yeah, so that's it. Something to look for if your Mini's really rattly, and also if you have a water pump leak, just do this while you're in there. So thanks for watching.